Hello everyone, how are you? Fine? Well, today I'm going to start exercise 12.1, question number first. In this exercise, in this question, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. It is a board which is fixed near a school ahead. Okay, and the equilateral triangle is it. A means all three sides are equal, let A. And the perimeter of this board is given 180 centimeter, and we have to find out area of triangle ABC. So the question is very easy. Perimeter is 180. It means how to find out the measurement of side? It's simple. You know that the perimeter A plus B plus C. Perimeter equal to A plus B plus C. It means A plus B plus C, and what is the perimeter is 180 centimeter. And A means A, B also A, because all three sides are equal. Here it is given, means A, B, C, all are A. So A plus A means 3 times. It means 180 is equal to 3A. 1 plus 2A, 3A. 3 will go down and divide 180. Then A is equal to 180 upon 3. It means 60 centimeter. So A is equal to 60. It means side of the triangle is 60. Hereafter take out the area by application of Heron's formula. So what to do? Means first to find out area, applying Heron's formula. We will apply here Heron's formula. How S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, and A plus B plus C, you know, that 60 plus 60 plus 60 upon 2. It means 180 upon 2. If you divide, it will by 90. Now take out area. The area of triangle ABC is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Now under root S value means 90. S minus A means 90 minus 60. S minus B again 90 minus 60. S minus C 90 minus 60. It means under root that 90 is 90. 60 minus that is 30. Here 60 minus 90 minus 60 again 30, and 90 minus 3 again 30. Now students, what you can see, this is the pair. 30 is paired, and one make pair you can make. That 90 means 30 into 3. 33 is 90. And this is already 30 into 30 into 30. Now one pair of 30, second pair of 30. So that means you will take out 30 into 30 outside. This 3 is unpaired. Right, in this way, in square root only. 30 is 900. So 900, it is 900 root 3 centimeter square is the area of this triangle, that is equal to triangle or board. So that is answer. Again write clearly, 900 and root 3 centimeter square. Question first is done. Question number second now. In this question number second, here this is a triangular side wall near the of the overbridge. Now the company is painting on this wall and earning the money. Okay, means giving the rent for this wall. So size of wall A 22 meter, and B 120 meter, and C means third side is 122 meter. Now advertising yield and earning 5,000 rupees per meter square per year for 12 months. To find what is the rent charged for this purpose for 3 months. So first of all you have to find out the area of this wall. Then we'll calculate charge also. Okay. So how to take out area of kiln? Means we will do the question. Means A is equal to given B, C. So take out S first. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2 by applying Heron's formula. So means 22 plus 120 plus 122 upon 2. 2 to 4, 2 to 4 to 6, and then 1 to 264 upon 2 divided. Then 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 132. What is that? 132. Now take out area. Area of triangle ABC, triangular wall, under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now put the value here. S means 132. 132 minus 22. Again 132 minus 120. And third time 132 minus 122. Now hereafter under root, this is 132 only. Multiply 132 minus 22. If you subtract, then what happens? 0. And here 110. If you subtract 120 from 132, then what will come here? 2. And this is 1. Only 12. This we subtracted, only 12 will come here. And multiply here, if you subtract 2 to 0 and 3 to 1, this is 10 only. Now see, you know that 132 means 12 11 ja 132, factor of 132. This is 11 into 10, 11 10 ja 110. Multiply 12, multiply 10. Now see the pair. Every number is having pair. Means 12 is also paired, 10 is also paired, 11 is paired. 12 into 11 into 10. All three numbers are paired coming out. Now multiply 12 till 132, 132 10 means 132 multiply 10. It is 1320 meter square is the area of the wall we calculated. Now we calculate rent. See students, you know that for means 1 meter square. 1 meter square cost or charge is equal to how much? Rupees 5,000. For 132 meter square charge more, it means 5,000 into 1320 rupees. But it is for how many? This is for 1 year. For what? For 1 year means for 12 months. How many months? 12 months. Right here for 12 months. So for 3 months, how can you take out for 3 months? For 3 months divide by 3 for 12 months, and we want for 3 months. For 3 months means for, write down, 12 months charge is rupees 5,000 into 1320. So for 1 month charge will be less, then divide by 12. 5,000 into 1320 upon 12 will go down. So for 3 months, charge will be more increased. So 5,000 multiply 1320 upon 12 multiply by 3. Now 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. Now divide by 4. If we divide by 4, what will come here? 4 means this is 5,000 only. And 4 3 ja 12. 4 3 ja 12. 330 means 330 multiplied by 5,000. Then what will come here? 1 6 5 0 0 0 0 4 0 1 2 3 4. Means this is the final answer. Means rupees, means company has to charge this much rupees. 1 lakh 60 means 16 lakh 50,000. How much? 16 lakh 50,000 charge company has to pay. So question is not tough, but calculation is long. So please try to understand and do it yourself. This question is tough. Question number 3 is so easy. There is a park. In that park, the area, that triangular park, 11 meter, 6 meter, 15 meter. A, B, C is given. Find the area of painted. This board is painted near this park. Keep the park green. So this board we have to paint. Means the cost of painting according to the area of this triangle. So check out, means directly we will do here. Applying Heron's formula. We will calculate area. So how? S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. So 6 plus 11 plus 15 upon 2. Now add this. So what will come here? 6 plus 11, 27, 17. 17 plus 15, 32. Is it 32? 6. 5 plus 1, 6, 12, 2. It is 32 upon 2. If we divide 32 upon 2, it will become 16 meter. It means now S is 16. S is equal to 16 meter. Now take out area. So area of triangle ABC is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now write the value of each. S means 16, 16 minus 6, A, 16 minus 11, B, and 16 minus 15, C. Now under root, is it 16? Multiply 16 minus 6, 10. 16 minus 11, 5. And here 16 minus 1. Now this is 16. 16, you know that. So 16 is 4 into 4, 4 plus 16. 10 means 5, 2 are 10. And this is 5, this is 1. Now student 4, 4. One pair of 4, 4 will come outside. And that 5, one pair of 5, the 5 is also outside. But 2 is unpaired. I mean 2 is in under root. So what is the answer? This is, if you do 5 4 is 20. It is 20 under root 2 meter square is the area of this board. So it is done very easily. Question number 4. In this, one triangle is given. In the triangle, two sides are given, 18 and 10. And perimeter given 42. First of all, find out third side C. Okay, A is 18, suppose, B is 10, and C. So C is 14. How? Because if you sum up both the sides, 18 plus 10, add it and subtract it from 42, then you get 14. So C is 14. Now find out area of ABC. So applying Heron's formula. Applies by Heron's formula, S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. And what is A? 18 plus 10 plus 14 upon 2. So this is 42 upon 2. It means 2 2 are 4 and 2 1 are 2, 21. Now take out area. Area of triangle ABC is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now put the value of S is 21, 21 minus 18, 21 minus 10, and 21 minus 14. Now calculate 21 is 21. Multiply 21 minus 18, 3. And 21 minus 10, that is 11. And 21 minus 14, 7. Now what you can do here? Can you try 7 3 are 21? 21 factorize 7 3 are 21, and this is 3 only. 11 and 7. Now student, you can observe over here 7 7. One pair of 7 we beat here. Second pair of 3, and 11 is remain unpaired. So take out 7 and 3 outside as they are paired, and 11 is in under root. So what is the final answer? Final answer 7 3 are 21. Under root 11 centimeter square is the area of this triangle. Very easily we have done. Question number 5. In this question, there is a triangle ABC, and ratio of the side A is to B is to C is given 12 is to 17 into 25. Perimeter is 540. Find the area of this triangle. So students, first of all, we have to calculate the side of each this triangle, then we can do. So how to take out side? See, in simple way, what you do, let the side be x. Suppose you let side x. It means if you let side x, then A is equal to 12x, because ratio is 12, right? Include x in that, 12x. And B is equal to 17x, and C is equal to 25x. Now simply you can do here, means perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. Formula perimeter. So what is A we have let here? 12x plus B is 17x plus C is 25x is equal to perimeter is given 540. If you add 12 plus 17 plus 25, what you get here? 54x is equal to 540. It means x is equal to 540 upon 54. It will go by 10 times 10. If x is equal to 10, it means you can calculate a. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 12x. It means 12 multiplied 10, that is 120 centimeter. B is you taken 17x. It means 17 multiplied 10. In the place of x, write 10. It is 170 centimeter. C is equal to 25x. It means 25 multiplied 10, because x is 10. It is 250 centimeter. Now hereafter take out easily. So S is equal to a plus b plus c upon 2. Now already S means perimeter. A plus b plus c is given here. What is that? 540. So 540 upon 2. If you divide 540 upon 2, what will come here? 270 centimeter. Now take out area. The area of triangle ABC is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Now write 270 S, 270 minus 120, 270 minus 170, and 270 minus 250. Now under root 270 is 270, multiply 270 minus 120, 0, and this is 5, this is 150. If you subtract, yet 170 minus 270 is 0, 0, 100, and 270 minus 250, it is 20 only. Now calculate. So 270 means, how can you take out the 27? You can write down here this 27 into 10. This is 15 into 10. This is already 10 into 10. And this is, you can say 20 means 5, 4 is 20. 20 is 20 only. That's. Now what is that? If you see that 27 means 9 3 are 27. 9 3. One pair of 10. Write down 10 together, 10 into 10. 15 means, this also 10 into 10, write down first, 10 into 10. 15 means 5 3 are 15, 5 into 3. And this is 10, 10 2 is 20. Okay, now see, it's 9 3 are 27, 10, and this 10 together, this 10 together, and 5 3 are 15, and this is 20 means 2 into 10, means 2 5 are 10. This 4 5 are 20, right? Then 4 5 are 20, more better. Now see, one pair of 10, take 10 outside. Other pair of 10, let also 10 outside. The square root of 9 is 3, take 3 outside. One pair of 3 more is paired here, 3, take just 3 also outside. Now 5 is also paired, 5 is also outside, and 2, what is the square root of 4? 2, but 2 also means nothing is left in the root, everything is coming out. If you multiply, then what you get here? 3 3 are 9, 2 5 are 10, and 10 means 1000, and 9, so 9000 centimeter square is the area. Please try to understand this calculation part, otherwise question is very easy. Only see the calculation part properly. Last question of this exercise 6. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Understand what it is? Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal than triangle. Isosceles triangle. Two sides are given 12 and 12. This C is not given. And perimeter is given 30. How to take out perimeter? It's very easy. A plus B plus C equal to 30. It means 12 plus 12, 24. If you subtract 24 from 30, then it is 6. So that's why perimeter is 6 centimeter. Now, applying Heron's formula. So, S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. A plus means 12 plus 12 plus 6 upon 2. It means this is 30. 30 upon 2 means 15. 15 centimeter. S. Now take out area of triangle ABC is equal to under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now, put the value of S. This is 15. 15 minus 12, 15 minus 12, and 15 minus 6. Now, it's very simple. 15 is 15 only. This is 15 minus 12, 3. 15 minus 12, again 3. 15 minus 6, 9. Now 15 minus 6, what you can see, this 3 is paired. 9 square root 3. But take 3 outside of one is paired. This is 9. What is the square root of 9? 3. So again 3 will come outside. This 15 will not come outside. The 15 is 15 only. So 3 is 9. So 9 under root 15 centimeter square is the final answer of this question. So it's done very easy. Only the calculation part you should see, you should observe, otherwise everything is easy. So the exercise is done.